Here's another example of the intermediate value theorem. We have the function f of x is equal to 2x divided by x minus 3, and we're interested in applying the intermediate value theorem on the interval 0 to 6. So we see a rational function, and we see that it's going to have a 0 in its denominator whenever x is equal to 3. So its domain does not include x equal to 3. This would be okay if 3 wasn't in the interval, but it is in this case. So since 3 is in our interval, this function is not continuous on the interval 0 to 6. And since it's not continuous, we cannot apply the intermediate value theorem. Again, if we'd chosen a different interval, let's say we chose the interval from 4 to 10, or the interval from -5 to -2, any interval that doesn't include 3, we can still apply the intermediate value theorem. The fact that the function isn't continuous everywhere isn't really relevant. It's a question of whether the function isn't continuous on the specific interval that's been chosen. In this case, it isn't. We could also check the value at the endpoints, and we will find in this case that those values are different. So that part is okay, but we need everything to be okay before we can actually go through and apply the theorem. And in this case, since we have that discontinuity at x equals 3, which is right exactly in the middle of the interval 0 to 6, the intermediate value theorem cannot be applied, and we're done. There's nothing more we can do.